we wrote two finder methods, one that retrieves all of them and the other one that finds something by ID. Those are just two of the common operations. Typically, we always need 4 or 5 very common operations that we do on any table, right? We like to create data, so in inserts, we like to be able to find the data, so we have the two finder methods. We like to delete and we like to update, right? So let's take a look at a delete. Let's see if how that works, just to make sure the test works. So we have all 3. So let's delete ID number 2. Okay, so let's do that. So in here, let's create a statement for that, and this will be called delete course, and it'll be something like delete from courses where ID. There we go. So it'll be a prepared statement, right? And we'll use this delete course, and we're going to map this to get mapping, and this will be delete course. So this will be public, and probably we're just going to come back with a status, right? And this will be delete course, and this will, it'll probably be a lot of the same code here. So I'm just going to grab all this. I'm just going to paste it. Typically, probably there's quite a bit of reusability that we could use here. So try, yada, yada, yada. So class.forName, yada, yada, whatever. Da, 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 da. Okay, prepare the statement. There it is. So we prepared the statement, and the statement is delete course. We set the integer. We want to maybe delete which one, do we say? This one, number 2. So let's copy that 2, and we're going to that query. We're going to remove that one. Now, instead of execute query, we're actually now executing an update. So execute update. Execute update. There it is. So whenever you're doing an insert, an update or delete, that's an update, right? If it's a query, only with select statements. Yes. And this one, I believe it returns an integer. So we can put it here as a status, right? And there's no result set, so we don't need to iterate over anything, right? And by default, we're going to return a -1. Something went wrong, or if everything went okay, we're just going to return right away what the update returns, right? Typically, what it returns is how many records were updated, right? In this case, since we're deleting 1, then hopefully just return 1, saying, yeah, I was able to delete 1 record successfully, right? So if that works, let's try that out. So let's compile that. And let's run that, and let's try out accessing this. So this will be delete course. So oh, something went wrong. -1. What happened? The syntax. What did I do? Oh, star. I knew that. So let's compile that again. And run that. Okay, so it came back saying that 1 was deleted. And we could try it out by going back to test and see that number 2 is no longer there, right? It's been removed. All right, so let's take what